So the last piece has just arrived. Check it out. This is the under tray. I've only unboxed it so far. I've yet to try it out on the bike. It's fresh back from the laser cutters. I'll leave a link to him below because he was really good. He was really useful. It's all been cut and folded, but obviously it's not been fitted together yet, just in case it doesn't quite fit and I need to move things around a little bit. So what I'll do is I'm planning on putting some rivets in and using some sealant just to get it all together. It's made out of aluminium, a particular high strength aluminium 5000 grade, I think. I went for aluminium because it's thicker and the strength, in this case, the strength actually it's a cubic reaction. It's a cubic relation from the thickness. So even though stainless, I could have made half as thick because stainless is twice as strong. Actually, because aluminium is thicker, it ends up being 8 times stronger. So along with that, there's also this, which is a brace, which will go across the middle here. Again, that hasn't been folded because I want to get that in place and just get that angle sorted out. And then I'll make that up. It gets folded at the bottom, it gets folded at either side, and that'll get put in there. There's also this, which, you know, this is the radiator cover. Yes, this was a bit of a impromptu decision, a bit of a kind of on the cuff decision, but yeah, we'll see how that works. And there's also this. Now, this is a lock washer for another little project which I'm working on. I'm interested to see how accurate this is because I don't know if you can see, but this is a spline, which typically that has to be super precise. Typically, you'd be looking at much less than 0.1 millimeter accuracy on that. As far as I know, a laser can only cut to about a 0.1, 0.2 accuracy. So yeah, I might spend a bit of time with a file trying to get that to fit. But anyway, yeah. Next, down to the garage, and we'll see whether this fits. If this does go in, then this is the last thing I need to make the bike complete. It's by no means ready. It's still a mess, but this will allow me to get the battery in, get all the electrics in. It then becomes a case of fixing a completed bike rather than actually building a bike. So, yeah, the adventure continues.